Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on the Aero car. Took a nasty crash last night and really damaged it. Not so much physically as far as the chassis, but snapped the blade directly off the prop. Now, I've got it epoxied, and it's actually still usable. So I ran it at top speed for about, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It held together, so anyway, it makes a good spare. So I've installed a new propeller. I've also installed a spinner rather than this nut that was on there. So when I installed this prop, it has a completely different twist, so I had reverse polarity on the rectifier. But anyway, it's up and running, as you see. Now I cut this down from a 9-inch prop. So this was a big propeller. Anyway, it's up and running. Just wanted to show it on the rail. As you see, it runs really well. Now these props are actually quite inexpensive. I'm finding them on eBay for $3, $4 each. Some of them are used, of course. But the motor itself with a prop was $6. So you really can't beat that. Anyway, so the prop is repaired, and I've installed a aluminum spinner, as you see, and I can continue my experiments. So, have to tweak this front truck. I might replace it. It's really badly bent. This thing came zipping off the rail last night. Excuse the expletive in that video, but it was a bad crash. And anyway, it's back together and running, and doing all the experiments on this one. And like I said, everything I learn is going to go towards building the new one. And I'm learning a lot. There's no doubt about that. Unfortunately, there just isn't a whole lot of information available. A lot of this is genuine experimentation to find out what's going to happen. So as you see, it's up and running. So just a quick follow-up video. The new prop is installed, new spinner. There's my mark where I cut it off, of course. So just a quick video on the new props. I'll be doing more experiments with this one. I have another prop and, of course, the original. So just depends on how this all goes. But this is a decent prop. It moves a lot of air and no problem with it at all. It's well balanced, and I've added that spinner. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.